The guy is fire. You hear me? I'm firing right now. Where's the other guy controlling you? He's fired too. There. No? Is he doing it? Oh shit. He's doing it himself. He has the remote. Oh. Fire. Okay, a lot of you saw what happened yesterday. This guy's playing horsey in the workplace. That's uncalled for. And yes, I was mad, so I had to calm down. And at first, I'd like to thank the 4 people that put a comment in there when I asked for a comment. They comment with their opinions. So I'm going to tell you what I did. Went to him, had to talk to him, told him that was not safe. It wasn't something you should do in the workplace where other people are watching and videotaping. And I sent him home without pay. So he lost half a day without pay. Told him if he did that again, I would send him home again, but this time he won't come back. So hopefully he got the message. And I don't know. Keep subscribing, hit that like button on my previous videos. That would help me out. Maybe I could retire again. And let's see what happens. Alright, have a good one. It's such a fine wine that keeps me searching for a heart of gold. And I'm getting old.